Well, welcome back, my dudes. So, I am back here with another video, and today we're going to be doing some try not to laugh challenges. Today, I am actually just going to be doing this since I don't really have any other games to play or anything, so I'm just going to watch this with you guys, and I'm going to want to see you guys' reactions in the comments if you even watch my video, which I really hope you do. So, let's begin the video.
Papa's showing Cole how to go. Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's kind of buffering. Yeah, it keeps buffering. That's weird.
Jeremy, go!
Whoa. Okay. Never does that.
Oh my god!
Okay, guys, so I was just doing that and computer randomly crashed. It never does that, and it never buffers, so I'm guessing that it's just the screen recorder I was using, and I probably just needed to buy a new one. But anyways, I like my background. Let's play some FNAF, I guess. I don't know what I'm trying to do, but I'm going to play some FNAF, because I can. Oh god, that's loud! You know what, I'm going to do a challenge. I can't hear anything. You guys can't hear anything. Actually, no. I don't like that. Hoping you guys can actually hear that. So, oh god, my bass. It's making my floor shake. Okay, I'm sorry. But anyways, so what I was thinking is we could probably get, I don't know, I need to do these challenges. I'm not very good at the game. So, I was thinking maybe, maybe, god dang it, stupid fly. Get in my room! I think I just broke my keyboard. Nope, I broke the F5 button. I just broke the F5 button on my keyboard. That's great. I'm gonna have to get a new one now. God, you're like $50 computer. Keyboard. Stupid. God. I need a new $50 keyboard now. Dang it. I'm sorry. Anyways, so I think I'm gonna do ladies' night. Because everybody's, like, all my friends tell me that it's actually a good starting round. So as soon as this loads. You know, everything seems a lot slower when I'm recording. Oh, there's a spider on my lamp. You know, one of these days I'm gonna have to get a face cam. Well, pretty soon, actually. So, yeah. Oh, crap, no! I'm sorry, my speaker fell. Very soon I will be able to do, like, 2-screen stuff, because I have, like, 2 monitors. I actually have another computer here, too. But it's just my other computer isn't working, because I don't have a DVI cord, so, yeah, I need a new DVI cord. I don't know why I haven't bought one yet. It's just like, I bought 3 of them, and just every time I buy them, they just go missing. Oh, finally, in-game. Oh. Lucky Freddy. Why is your nose not booping? Whoa. Everything is lagging. Wow. I guess this just needs some time. Jeez. He peacefully remains together. Oh, there we go. Now it's working. Perfect. I turned this off. turned the fan off multiple times. Come on, load. Jeez, what is going on? I did this earlier today and it was fine. Oh yeah, I'm playing Ladies Night. I'm gonna click on you because I know you're not. No.
Who touched me bird?
Hee. I'm gonna wait until. I did not even hear baby. It was really weird how that didn't even scare me. Like, I didn't even jump out of my seat at all. You know, guys, I think I'm gonna find the problem with my computer.
Looks like something bad happened.
Looks like something bad happened. Okay, well. Well, that's gonna do it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!